How to log in into the Wolt app or the Wolt Partner app. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to be able to log in into Wolt Partner application. The first is open up your Google Play Store or any application store that you have on your device to download apps and type in here Wolt Partner. Now the application that you need to choose is the second one, the Wolt Courier Partner. Make sure you have it downloaded and installed. If you already have this, make sure that this application is updated to its latest version. Now once downloaded, of course, open up the Wolt Partner application. This is gonna be your dashboard. Now you just have to hit on next on these options that's showing on your end right here. And on the login page, you can choose to sign in with email or to sign in with your phone number. So say, for example, we will be signing in with a phone number. In here, on the country side, you simply choose your area code, your designated area code, and then followed by your specific phone number. Now, once you have inputted your phone number, all you have to do is next, and you will receive an OTP or a one-time PIN for you to input it on your phone and log in completely. And that's it. That's how you logged in into the Wolt app or the Wolt Partner application.